Now we will see how it works. By the time the code is ready, test scripts are ready too. The code has to pass the test scripts defined in the BDD. If it does not happen, code refactoring will be needed. Code gets freezed only after the successful execution of defined test scripts. So, first of all, we start by describing the behavior. Second, we write the step definition using language, like Java, for example. Then run and fail. For example, we want to test the login behavior. First of all, we describe the behavior. So, like we said before, I want the user when he types his username and password, he needs a correct username and correct password. The user should be logged in. So, in the third step, run and fail. That means what? That means the service is not ready yet. So when we try to test this part, the run will fail. And then the first step, write the code to make the step pass. So we need to implement the service. And then run and pass the test. So the test passes, so we move to the next scenario or the next behavior. As I said, it's a very simple notation, but what we need in order to get this concept implemented, the answer is behavior-driven development framework. Cucumber is one such open source tool which supports behavior-driven development. To be more precise, Cucumber can be defined as a testing framework driven by explain English texts. It serves as documentation, automated tests, and a development aid all in one. So, what does Cucumber do? It can be described in the following steps. Cucumber reads the code written in plain English text, the language Gherkin, in the feature file. It finds the exact match of each step in the step definitions.